Hi, today I'm front of your Realme 11 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So open first the settings, then scroll down to additional settings and click here to the gestures and motions. You will see here turn on or turn off touch with the volume button, so click on the switcher, and now to activate touch you should click press twice or press and hold the down volume button, and now we could see that this option is activated. To turn it off, just press once again down volume button. Also, if you want to turn off this option, you should click on the switcher once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.